Hey, good morning everybody. Hope everybody's doing good. Haven't done a patch video in a while, so I figured we'd do one today. I'm in a driveway, parking lot, parking garage, whatever you call this thing. Up there, that's our access point. Okay, this is a waste line. Comes from top of the building all the way down and drains over there. So what we're doing is we identified a hole in the pipe about 3 meters up. It's getting the apartment above wet every time people use the water. So we're gonna do a patch, throwing it through that clean out point, up to 90 and up. Hopefully it works out good. We got our bendy air rods over here, and we're gonna get started. We got a fiberglass all cut, mix our resin, throw it on, and throw it inside. Got him at a steady 2.5. Looks like we're at the spot. Hopefully everything is good. Dry everything down, wipe everything up. All right, if you notice, we still got some silicate left inside of here. While it's moving around, it's called the pot life. So we're looking at our watch, we're looking at the silicate. Once it starts to settle and not move around, I know that the pot life is done and I can start my curing time. Now I gotta go disinfect this before I get some nasty looking fingers because of an infection. All right, so we got our patch cooking. We've got about an hour left of wait time. It's a bit cold outside, I wanna make sure it cures properly. So in the meantime, we're just gonna get some office work done. A big estimate that we were given, so we'll work on that right now. What we're gonna do when we're bored. What we gonna do when we're bored. Woo. All right, so here's the moment of truth. We told everybody in this line not to use the water. I don't know if that's true. So I gotta be careful when I take this off, that water doesn't spray on me. So I'm gonna go stand on that side. And there's still a possibility that there will be disaster. But we'll see what happens, you know? It's part of the game. Part of the game. So we got this here. So we could hold that there, see what happens. Hope for the best. Oh, there's water. Ah! All right. Definitely was water. Ah, nasty. Whew. That was definitely a toilet. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. Ah, disgusting. Oh. All over everywhere. All right, so they didn't listen to us. That's good to know. Oh my gosh. Hope they didn't flood the apartment on top. Definitely possible. Definitely possible. But we told them. Now we're gonna do an inspection to make sure it all worked out. So got our camera, we're gonna stick it inside. I'm gonna throw it in here. Right there. Okay. All right. Okay, so we're putting that in, and we're going up. I want to make sure that the patch expanded properly and that it hit our location. Look at that, right in front of the T. That's a beauty. Our T is right there. Beautiful right there. Beautiful transition. And then our hole is going to be right there in the middle of the patch. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. You can see the red tape right here inside the patch, so that's just great. I'm going to pull it down and we're good to go. Oh my gosh. Woo-wee. Put the cap back on, don't forget it. Clean everything up, and we're good to go. All right, so that worked out pretty good. Beautiful patch. It's gonna stay there for years to come. And we'll see you next time. Don't forget, subscribe if you like this stuff. Like or dislike, whatever suits your boat. Suits your boat? Floats your boat. Take care.